Right there. Oh, that reminds me. I should give the Canadian Potato a call on my styrofoam and see if he wants to go for a bike ride.
Oh, that's my potato phone. Hello?
Hey, Canadian Potato, it's Mudlee.
Mudlee, how are you? What are you doing?
Well, I was thinking about going for a bike ride.
Go for a bike ride? That's what I was gonna do too. I found a great new trail over in the park. You wanna come with me?
Mm-hmm.
How about I meet you at the Spud Lookout?
Sure, I'll be there in a flash.
So long.
What took me so long? Well, I was up in the forest there picking up garbage. Yep.
Typical.
Yeah, typical me. What took you so long?
Cooking potatoes.
Oh, cooking potatoes. You're always cooking potatoes.
That's right. Well, well, Mudlee, let me show you the trail I found. Let's go.
All right.
That's the trail, Mudlee. That's the trail.
Oh, now I know what you're talking about. Hey, Can Pot.
Yeah.
Want a race?
How about a race to the creek? Brown potato. Look at that! That cloud looks like a potato! That cloud looks like a potato! Look at that!
Fishing for garbage.
This way, Mudlee! This way!
Hey, Can Pot!
I'm over here!
What are you doing over there?
Smell the flowers! Reminds me of potato pie! Where did Mudlee go? Mudlee! Mudlee, where'd you go?
I'm up here. I'm up here.
What are you doing up there?
I got stuck in a tree again.
Stuck in the tree again, you doofus!
Stuck in a tree.
How did you get stuck up in a tree?
Yeah.
Well, Mudlee, that was one heck of a ride.
It sure was.
You get stuck in that tree? Oh, that was a hoop.
That's like the 10th time this week I got my bike stuck in a tree. 10th time. Yep. Stuck in a tree. Oh.
that? Oh, your styrofoam's
My
ringing.
styrofoam's ringing.
It's phoning you now.
Hello? Yeah, this is Mudlee. Sure, I can help you come pick up that garbage, no problem. Yep, I got my bike right here. I'll be there in a minute. Hey, Campot, you want to come help me pick up some garbage down at the beach?
Yeah.
All right, we'll be right there.
What else am I gonna do today? Eat potatoes? Yeah, let's go.
Hopefully I don't get stuck in a tree on the way there.
Yeah, I gotta change my diaper.